Action. Hello. Action.
He wants to live.
Dance on the round. Hi, I'm Ed Ryan. I like the nightlife. I love to boogie.
That's
My
true.
wife, Rain Ryan,
Peace and love.
she likes peace and love.
That's true too.
Well, I'm a disco round. That's just me. Yeah. We're just mucking about as we turn on. Hi, it's just about 3 o'clock on Friday, the last Friday of January
Of a long
already. Holy
January.
cow. That joke's getting old.
Yeah, really.
So it's the 29th, 27th? What is the 29th? 29th. Today is the 29th.
29th.
That's
29th.
crazy.
Yesterday was the 28th because it was full moon.
Yeah, but yesterday all my troubles were still here.
Okay. But that's what we're here for. To
That's
forget
right.
your troubles. Come,
Come on, get
happy.
happy. We're going to do a special show today. We call it, well, I'll tell you what we call it after it. It's a mixture of the Beatles
That'd be
album Revolver and the Monkees album Pisces, Aquarius, Capricorn, and Jones Limited. And since the Monkees, we evolved from Monkees, so in order to play the Beatle album with a Monkees album, we're calling this show Devolver.
Very
We're
good. choice.
devolving. So Devolver, that's a combination of Revolver and Pisces, Capricorn. That's why I don't say the whole title. That
It's
Devolver.
just- I could barely get it in the type thing for the event today.
And then you have to say limited at the end.
Yeah.
It's Capricorn, Aquarius.
It was not
I could
limited
just
in
read it.
names.
Pisces, Aquarius, Capricorn, and Jones Limited.
There you
It's they're both kind of psychedelic albums for the most part. Psychedelic pop. They're not like hardcore Inagata-Davida stuff. But the Beatles were experimenting with the psychedelic by this album, and plus a few great love songs. And the Monkees, the same. The albums came out about a year apart. Well, I'll tell you more about it, I guess. This is Soundcheck.
Yes.
I started getting into the show. Let me just get Soundcheck out of the way, and then we can have a show proper. Because it's almost already
go.
3
It's,
now. So.
happy hour.
And it's Friday. That's right.
Jimmy
Happy hour.
Giraffe's got his happy hour sign
Jimmy
up.
Giraffe. Ha, cha, 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 cha.
And Jimmy Durante's got his Peace and Love hat on.
Yes, he
so
does.
It's happy hour.
So let's have a little sound check, and then we'll come back at you. All the lights are on, right? Why does it seem
But
like...
it seemed like it got
seems
dark,
dark.
for a second.
All right.
Yeah, I don't know.
No, everything's on.
Yeah.
All right, here we go. A little combination of songs that are not on either one of these albums
This is one of my favorite ones.
that have to do with Say the word and you'll be free. Say the word and be like me. Say the word I'm thinking of. Have you heard the word is love? It's so fine, it's sunshine. It's the word love. Everywhere I go, I hear it said. In the good and the bad books that I have read, say the word and you'll be free. Say the word and be like me. Say the word I'm thinking of. Have you heard the word is love? So fine, sunshine is the word love. Love is understanding. Don't you know that this is true? Love is understanding. It's in everything we do. In this generation, in this loving time, in this generation, we will make the world shine. We were born to love one another. This is something we all need. We were born to love one another, and we must be what we're going to be. And what we have to be is free. Love is understanding. We gotta be free. Love is understanding. We gotta be free. Love is all you need.
little freaky
Little
fun.
freaky fun on a Friday. It's a
Yes.
Freaky Friday fun. Just for fun.
Just
All
for
right,
fun.
let's get set up, finish here. I'm gonna stop saying we got a late start because it happens every time.
We're just where we're supposed to be at this moment in time.
All right, this is probably why I don't wear one.
But please come back in
Come
the
back,
next
come
moment
back.
in time, in a few
Yeah,
minutes,
we
and
got-
join
we
us
got
for the whole show.
27 songs in total.
It's a fun show.
It's
I'm
gonna be
very
a lot
excited.
of fun. A lot of fun.
A lot of fun. So, Peggy Weaver, Dancing Shoes, Debbie Cohen, a few of you guys. Looking forward
Get your,
to it.
get your what do they call those?
What?
The globe, the lights that go bloop, bloop, bloop. Lava lamps. Get your lava lamps.
Get your lava lamps ready and a snack, and come back and join us. We'll see you next time. Peace and love.